Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Which two Cisco data center devices can participate in Fabric Path? Choose 2. Option A. Cisco Nexus 5500 series switches. Option B. Cisco Nexus 1000 volts. Option C. Cisco Nexus 7000 series switches. Option D. Cisco Nexus 4900 series switches. Option E. Cisco MDS 9500 series directors. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Cisco Nexus 5500 series switches. Option C. Cisco Nexus 7000 series switches. Question 2. Which item best describes the STP requirements for Cisco Fabric Path? Option A. RPVST must be configured on every Cisco Fabric Path VLAN. Option B. RPVST must be configured on every Cisco Fabric Path border interface. Option C. MST must be configured on every Cisco Fabric Path VLAN. Option D. MST must be configured on every Cisco FPBI. Option E. STP is required only to resolve border link failures. Option F. STP is not required on Cisco Fabric Path interfaces. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option F. STP is not required on Cisco Fabric Path interfaces. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.